Welcome to the ESP website's Quick Launch tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to launch your website in just a few quick and easy steps. Let's go to the ESP websites area. For more information on accessing ESP websites, please review the Accessing ESP Websites tutorial. Now, we'll click on the site that we would like to set up and then click on Go. Let's start with section A. Here, we need to create our domain name and our site title. When entering the site address, remember, no spaces. Also, do not include www in your site address. Best practices for site address would be to include your company name or a variation of your company name. Next, we can create the site title. The site title is text that will appear in the upper left corner of the browser window when customers visit our site. When entering a site title, we want to make sure to include proper spacing and capitalization. For example, ABC Promotional Products Incorporated. Now let's move on to section B, Upload your logo. As the name of this section indicates, it is where we can upload our logo. Let's stop and review the requirements for the logo image. Optimal size is 200 pixels wide by 70 pixels high. Logo should be at least this size. Larger logos will be optimized for your ESP website. The maximum file size is 250 kilobytes and should be in a PNG, JPEG, or GIF. To get started, we can browse our computer for our logo. First, we'll click here on the Browse button. This takes us to the Media Manager, which houses all of the images we have uploaded for our ESP website. Then, we can click on the Upload Artwork button and browse to the file's location on our computer. We can then select it and click Open. Please note, this may behave differently on a Mac. Our logo will appear in the library of available images. Holding the mouse over the image will give us the option to select File. After clicking on Select File, we can see a preview of our logo in the Logo Preview box. If we did not have a logo, we could have just typed our company name into this box, which automatically creates a typeset logo. Just like with uploading an image, a preview of the typeset logo appears in the Logo Preview box. Now let's move on to section C, Company Info. Here, we can enter any information about our company that may be missing. We can enter our address, phone number, and email information for our site. All we have to do is fill in the fields with our information. If we want our phone number and email address to be displayed, make sure these boxes are checked. There is also a social networking section where we can enter the URL links to our social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google+, Flickr, or our blog. If we wanted to customize our site further, we can use the Next Step button. For more information on further customization, please review the Build Your Website in 3 Steps tutorial. For now, we want to get our site up and running as quickly as possible. All we need to do is click here on the Quick Launch button. A preview of our site launches, and after looking it over, we are ready to go live. To make our site live, it's just a quick click of the Publish button. That's it! Our site is now up, active, and ready for business. Thank you for watching the Quick Launch tutorial.